I used some premium maple hardwood that my friend Joel Crawford gave me. Thanks, Joel. And I'm using the CNC machine to carve out the outline. Now, I had some problems because it miscut on the last pass, so had to use the router table. And then I printed the Bible verse in reverse on a laser printer and then used the heat tool to transfer it. The tool looks like a toy, but believe me, it's serious business. This was just a piece of scrap maple I used for the base. CA glue is all it takes. Fast and easy. Here I'm using the CNC vinyl cutter to put the verse on. It will not be this color. And then some fun Christmas colors around the outside of the Christmas tree and the base. Now I'm painting over that vinyl, and the goal is to pull it up, revealing the wood tone underneath, which I think is a nice touch. And there you go. I have a nice tabletop Christmas decoration. Merry Christmas, everyone!